Okay, although this may be wishful thinking, I'm trying to get a 0, and the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to multiply the second equation by minus 3. And I'm hoping if I do this, that things are going to get real simple real quick. If not, though, I'm taking the wrong road. So minus 4y squared equals 3x. Then you get minus 3xy minus 24y squared minus 3x. I'm going to add them together, and what do you get? You're going to get x squared minus 3xy minus 28y squared is equal to 0. Now, to say wishful thinking, I'm hoping this is going to be easy to factor without too much stress, right? So with x and x, looks pretty simple, 7y and 4y. And why is that? 7y and 4y is a product of 28, and they do differ by 3, right? So what I'm going to get over here, I guess minus 7 plus 4y. All right, so I think I'm okay, and I'll write down what I believe I'm seeing. I believe I'm seeing x equals 7y. And the other thing I believe I'm seeing is x equals minus 4y. Okay, what are you going to do now? I'm going to get rid of the distractions. All right, so I got 2 things I got to deal with now, but the distractions are gone now. I don't need those distractions anymore. And I don't need that prior problem anymore. I'm going to erase that too. We're finished with that. So which one of those 2 would you go for first? I think minus 4y. X equals minus 4y. And what I'm going to do is pick one of those equations. And the equation I want to pick is, I think, the first equation. And we're going to plug it in. I want to play what we're plugging in. We're plugging this in to the first equation. What do we get? Let's see, 16y squared minus 4y squared equals minus 12y. What do you have here? 12y squared is equal to minus 12y. I am going to divide both sides by 12, and what do you get? Y squared equals minus y. Now, I realize some people say I want to divide by y. Don't do that because you might lose the solution by doing that. So what do you get? Y squared plus y equals 0. Factor a y out. You would get y plus 1. So now I get 2 y's. What are they going to be? Well, the y could be 0. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Although it's true, I didn't mean to do it. The y could be 0. What else could be the y be? Minus 1. Right? I'm looking at this over here. So if y is 0, what would x be? 0. If y is minus 1, what would you get for x? You get 4. So I'm going to commit to these 2 answers without checking it, by the way. We'll do that later. I'm going to say that's a distraction. I'm going to get rid of distraction now. We're done with this. Let's move on to the next one, which is x equals 7y. Still going to use the same equation, using this one. What do you get? 49y squared minus 4y squared is equal to, well, let's see, that would be 21y, right? Well, what's 49 minus 4? 45. Y squared equals 21y. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 15y squared is equal to 7y. Do not divide by y. You could lose the solution by doing that. So 15y squared minus 7y equals 0. I'm going to factor y out. And what do you get? 15y minus 7 equals 0. Well, I get 2 solutions here as well. So y could be 0. And the other one is y could be, let's see, 7/15, right? All right, so someone says, oh, you already did the 0. Well, do it again. What do you get? 0, 0. The other one I have not done yet. And what's that going to be? 7/15. Okay, how do you get the x? It's right over here. It's 7 times that number. So it's going to be 49/15. All right, I'm going to commit to this answer. Let's see if we got it right. I'm going to look at the key. And did they get this number? 49/15, 7/15. Yes. Did they get 0, 0? Yes. Did they get 4 minus 1? Yes, right over here. We're getting them all. This is good news. All right, so I'm going to say the next thing I would like to do is, I guess look at the graph of it. All right, let's take a look at that. And it says graph 143. Is 143 around somewhere? It's over here somewhere. This is graph 143. Kind of a complicated graph, but I want to see if we got the points they said we were going to get. So 0, 0, I got that. This one over here and this one over here. Now, by the way, looking at these things, I hope you can agree that we did find a solution that said 0, 0. And over here, this solution looks like 4 minus 1, all right? So have we seen those answers? Yeah, going back to it, we've seen these. What's this one over here? 49/15. And 7/15, right? Let me go back and check it. Yeah, 7/15. Now, granted, I know they're nasty numbers. 49/15, a little bit bigger than 3. I'm clearly seeing that. And 7/15, a little bit big, a little bit, let's see, 7/15, around a half. All right? Not bad. All right? Not bad. All right, again, let me remind you who I am. My name is Ron Bannon. If you need to reach out to me, email address is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Thank you.